Windows has changed a lot over recent updates, and many of the newest features make it much easier to use. Here are some powerful tips and tricks that can help you get more out of Windows and customize it the way you like. One of the most helpful features you should enable is Quick Machine Recovery. Open the Settings app, go to the System section, and select Recovery. Inside the recovery options, turn on Quick Machine Recovery. When your computer fails to start, this feature automatically checks for issues, connects to the network, sends the crash details to Microsoft, and attempts to apply a fix so your system can boot normally again. Right below it, turn on the option to continue searching if a solution isn't found. You can choose how long it continues to look for a fix. The recommended time is 30 minutes, and you can set it to restart and retry automatically. A great tool every Windows user should download is Microsoft PowerToys. It's free from the Microsoft Store and adds a collection of powerful utilities that make your computer more useful. Features like advanced pace, always on top, fancy zones for window layout, image resizing, mouse without borders, power rename, and the keyboard shortcut guide can save a lot of time and make everyday tasks much easier. If your start button and taskbar icons being centered feel strange, you can switch them back to the left. Right-click the taskbar, open taskbar settings, go to taskbar behaviors, and choose left alignment. Everything instantly moves to the position used in older versions of Windows. Customizing your desktop can make Windows feel more personal and easier on your eyes. Right-click your desktop and select Personalize. Go into Themes to try different looks or find more themes from the Microsoft Store. In the background settings, using a slideshow can keep your desktop fresh by changing images automatically. In the color section, switching to dark mode can make the interface more comfortable, especially if you spend long hours on your computer. There's a simple way to get the classic right-click menu back without changing system settings. When you want the full context menu, hold down the Shift key and then right-click. This immediately shows everything without having to click an extra option. File Explorer now supports tabs, just like a web browser. You no longer need multiple File Explorer windows. Click the plus sign at the top or use the shortcut Control and T to open a new tab. If you want to quickly close any window without touching your mouse, use the shortcut Control and W. It instantly closes the active window and is much faster than clicking the close button. Another useful addition is the Energy Saver mode. It works on both laptops and desktops. Open Settings, go to System, select Power, and enable the Energy Saver feature. This helps extend battery life on laptops and can even reduce power usage on desktops. The Widgets panel can be helpful for checking the weather, news, sports, stock prices, or other information at a glance. You can add more widgets by clicking the plus button at the top, including options for photos, a countdown timer, phone link, Spotify, and many more. If you use OneDrive, you might find the On This Day notifications annoying. You can turn this off by clicking the OneDrive icon on the taskbar, opening its settings, going to notifications, and disabling the memories option. The other notifications are usually helpful to keep on. There's also a quick way to insert emojis anywhere you type. Press the Windows key and the period key to open the emoji panel. You can use them in comments, messages, documents, or anywhere text is allowed. The secondary start menu, sometimes called the secret start menu, is incredibly useful. Right-click the Start button to open it. From here, you can quickly access Power Options, Device Manager, Network Settings, and the Terminal. It's much faster than digging through menus. You can also control which apps send you notifications. Open Settings, go to System, and select Notifications. Instead of turning everything off, scroll through the list and disable the apps you don't want to hear from. This keeps your computer quiet while still allowing important alerts. If you want a cleaner taskbar, you can remove items like widgets, task view, and even the search box. Right-click the taskbar, open taskbar settings, and turn off each item you don't want. They disappear instantly, giving you more room on the taskbar. Another useful feature is Title Bar Window Shake. If you have many windows open and want to focus on just one, click and hold the title bar of the window you want, then shake your mouse. All other windows instantly minimize. Shake again to bring them back. If the feature isn't working, enable it by going to Settings, selecting System, choosing Multitasking, and turning on the option for Window Shake. Thanks for watching.